is the HVAC. So I am on another no cooling service call today for a customer, testing the fans, the condensing fan motors, because when I initially came up to the roof and to this unit, I heard one of the fans making a weird noise. So it's actually this fan right here. This condensing unit has 6 fans. So you can probably hear right now it's making that noise, that buzzing noise. I'm gonna try to spin the fan, make sure it's not seized up or anything. Yeah, it is definitely seized. Barely moves. It's like it's trying to start. Alright, so to confirm that we do have a bad condensing fan motor, I'm going to check the capacitor, make sure we have the appropriate amount of microfarads, and then I'm also going to confirm that we do that our relay is working. So let's start with the relay. I'm going to set my meter to volts AC. Let's see if I check for 24 volts here at the bottom of the coil. And I do. 27 volts. Alright, let's make sure our relay is closed. Okay, 0 volts. So I'm checking between these two contacts here. Because I have the 0 volts means that the two contacts are closed. So that's why I'm reading 0. So that would mean that the fan, currently the fan motor is receiving voltage. Let's test the voltage here at the bottom to see what I have. To ground. Okay, 280 volts. Let's test here at the top to make sure, to confirm that the fan motor is getting power. Yep. Find a better ground. Yep. 281. Alright, so our relay checks out. Let's go ahead and check the capacitor. I'm going to remove the wires and we'll test the microfarads. Alright, so I turned the unit off so that I can check the capacitor, but we're just going to confirm that the power is off. Alright, so 0 volts, A to B, A phase to B phase. This is 3 phase. A to B, A to C, 0 volts, and now we're going to go B to C. Okay, 0 volts, let's check the ground. Nothing there. Should check another phase, or A phase. Check the ground. Nothing there. C phase. Go. Ground. Nothing. Alright, so power's off. Power's off. Let's check our capacitor. Alright, we are checking the capacitor. This capacitor is rated for 10 microfarads, and we are reading about 8 microfarads. So it is slightly lower than the recommended value. So we are going to change out this capacitor along with the condensing fan motor. All right, so I took the guard off of the top of the unit. So we're looking at our condensing fan motor, and to show you that it is bad, yeah, that condensing fan motor is definitely no good. You can just see how loose the bearings are, and you can barely move it. So yeah, we're gonna change out this condensing fan motor and the capacitor. We're gonna start by just unplugging it. Again, power is off. I'm just gonna unplug it down here. It's really hot at the bottom. All right, condensing fan motor is unplugged. Now we're just gonna pull it out and take the fan blade off. All right, so I got the fan motor out. This is the old fan motor. So now we are just going to take off the set screw here, take the blade off, and then we'll get our new motor and put the blade on the new motor and then hook up the new motor. All right, got the fan blade off. The fan blade came off pretty easy. I didn't have to struggle with it too much. This is our old motor again. There's our fan blade. Now we're gonna grab the new motor and put the new fan blade on. Okay, so we've got the new fan in. New fan is in. It's nice and tight. I've already put the screw back. Only thing that's left to do is just reattach the connection. Now the fan motor connection is labeled 1 through 4. You can see there 1, 2, 3, and 4. So just make sure you match up the plug with the numbers so that you plug it in the right way so that the motor spins so that it runs and spins the right way. All right, I've got the plug in. Now let's go ahead and change out the capacitor, and then we'll turn it on and we'll test it, make sure it runs. All right, we've got the new capacitor in. We're just going to test it with our meter and make sure that it's the correct microfarad reading. Remember, these are rated for 10 microfarads, so let's go ahead and test this. Okay, 9.8. So this capacitor is good. They're rated for 10 microfarads, plus or minus 5%. All right, only thing that's left to do is plug this capacitor in. Now let's go ahead and turn the unit on, and then we will test the fan motor. Okay, let's put this in test. Service, test, fans, fan number 6. forgot to plug in the relay. So let's try that again. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna plug the relay, 24 volts, back in. All right, now let's try it again, test. Okay, fan number 6, test. She's running. Really good. All right. So I'm gonna put the guard back on, and then I'm going to continue just testing the rest of the unit. I'm gonna make sure all of the compressors come on. I'm gonna check delta T and things like that. I'm not gonna get that in video. I'm kind of pressed for time, but I just wanted to share that condensing fan motor changeout with you guys. But thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.